had a gun pulled on her Friday.
What?
In her custody, correct. Okay.
Oh my God. Oh my God. First off, I'm so sick of
Message.
But if something would have happened to that baby, or if something is to happen to that baby, boy, they would have to fire me. Because, bro, and sometimes these children, yes, they have care, because she don't care. But Lord forbid, still sending her back to that house where it's a possibility that